Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to calibrate the gyroscope on Insta360 X5. To do it, slide down from the top of your screen, then go to settings in top right corner. Now scroll down until you find gyroscope calibration. Now place your camera as shown on the horizontal surface and then click on start calibration right here. I'm gonna remove this pad. Then now I'm clicking on start calibration. Don't touch the device as well as the surface near the device, so there's no vibration near. And now the device was calibrated. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.